In example 2, we're told the sine of theta is 1/3. I want to find the exact values. So exact values means radicals, no decimals, of the 5 remaining trig functions. So it's pretty much the same thing we just got done doing, except we have to do a little bit more problem solving. We're given less information to start with. So what happens, I'm going to model with a right triangle here. And I'm told the sine is 1/3. So that means my opposite is 1. My hypotenuse is 3. Since I have to find all my ratios, I better find the missing side. Well, to find the missing side, that's c squared equals a squared plus b squared. Or 9 equals 1 plus what? Well, that would be 8. So I'm going to be looking at the square root of 8. Well, the square root of 8 is actually 2 square roots of 2 when you simplify that. So now we can do our functions. We already have sine, so I'm just going to go to cosine. So the cosine of theta then is going to be 2 square roots of 2 over 3. And then the tangent of theta is going to be 1 over 2 square roots of 2, except we don't like the square root of 2 in the denominator. So multiply the numerator and denominator by the square root of 2. We get the square root of 2 all over 4, because 2 times 2 is 4. Because the square root of 2 times the square root of 2 is 2. Okay, now let's do our reciprocal functions. So the cosecant of theta is going to be the reciprocal of 1/3, which is 3. You can write it as 3 over 1 if you want. I'm just going to write 3. The secant of theta, well, that's going to be 2 times the square root of 2 all over 1. Whoops. Wrong one. That's cotangent. Sorry. It's going to be, let's back that up. Sorry about that. It's going to be the reciprocal of cosine, which is 3 over 2 square roots of 2. So in other words, I'm going to get 3 square roots of 2 all over 4. The cotangent of theta is going to be the reciprocal of tangent, so I'm going to get 2 square roots of 2. And there's our problem. We can use our special right triangles to know the exact values of the sine, cosine, tangent, or our 6 ratios of our special angles of 30, 45, and 60. Eventually, you have to memorize those, but for right now, you can just use your table.